Who is the governor of your state now?
Greg Abbott.
Name 3 national U.S. holidays.
Independence Day, Thanksgiving Day, Christmas Day.
The Federalist Papers supported the passage of the U.S. Constitution. Name one of the writers.
James Madison.
How many U.S. senators are there?
100.
Name one example of an American innovation.
Airplane.
What is one way Americans can serve their country?
Vote.
What was the Great Depression?
Longest economic recession in modern history.
What is Independence Day?
The country's birthday.
The Civil War had many important events. Name one.
Emancipation Proclamation.
What is the capital of the United States?
Washington, D.C.
Abraham Lincoln is famous for many things. Name one.
Freed the slaves.
When did all men get the right to vote?
1870.
What is the economic system of the United States?
Capitalism.
Name one American Indian tribe in the United States.
Pueblo.
What is the purpose of the 10th Amendment?
Powers not given to the federal government belong to the states or to the people.
Name one leader of the women's rights movement in the 1800s.
Susan B. Anthony.
What are 2 examples of civic participation in the United States?
Vote. Run for office.
Why did the United States enter the Korean War?
To stop the spread of communism.
What is the name of the national anthem?
The Star-Spangled Banner.
Who was the United States' main rival during the Cold War?
Soviet Union.
Why is it important to pay federal taxes?
Required by law.
Who appoints federal judges?
The President.
Name one war fought by the United States in the 1900s.
World War I.
Supreme Court justices serve for life. Why?
To be independent.
When did the Great Depression start?
The Great Crash.
What is the form of government of the United States?
Republic.
Who lived in America before the Europeans arrived?
Native Americans.
If the president can no longer serve, who becomes president? The vice president. What major event happened on September 11, 2001 in the United States?
Terrorists attacked the United States.
What is one part of the judicial branch?
Supreme Court.
Why does the flag have 13 stripes?
Because there were 13 original colonies.
Who is the Chief Justice of the United States now?
John Roberts.
Dwight Eisenhower is famous for many things. Name one.
General during World War II.
How many amendments does the U.S. Constitution have?
27.
During the Cold War, what was one main concern of the United States?
Communism.
What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance?
The flag.
What did the Civil Rights Movement do?
Fought to end racial discrimination.
Name two promises that new citizens make in the Oath of Allegiance.
Give up loyalty to other countries. Be loyal to the United States.
What war did the Americans fight to win independence from Britain?
American Revolution.
What are the two parts of the U.S. Congress?
Senate and House of Representatives.
Martin Luther King Jr. is famous for many things. Name one.
Fought for civil rights.
How long is a term for a member of the House of Representatives?
2 years.
Who signs bills to become laws?
The President.
Why did the United States enter the Persian Gulf War?
To force the Iraqi military from Kuwait.
What is the rule of law?
No one is above the law.
Name one U.S. military conflict after the September 11, 2001 attacks.
War on Terror.
What is Veterans Day?
A holiday to honor people in the military.
What did the Emancipation Proclamation do?
Freed the slaves.
What does the President's Cabinet do?
Advises the President.
Why do U.S. representatives serve shorter terms than U.S. senators?
To more closely follow public opinion.
It is important for all men age 18 through 25 to register for the Selective Service. Name one reason why.
Required by law.
George Washington is famous for many things. Name one.
Father of our country.
Name one thing the U.S. Constitution does.
Forms the government.
What does the judicial branch do?
Reviews laws.
James Madison is famous for many things. Name one.
Father of the Constitution.
Why is the Declaration of Independence important?
It says all people are created equal.
Who wrote the Declaration of Independence?
Thomas Jefferson.
What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now?
Nancy Pelosi.
When did all women get the right to vote?
1920.
What founding document said the American colonies were free from Britain?
Declaration of Independence.
The colonists came to America for many reasons. Name one.
Freedom.
The words life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness are in what founding document?
Declaration of Independence.
The nation's first motto was E pluribus unum. What does that mean?
Out of many, one.
Who is one of your state's U.S. senators now?
Ted Cruz.
Many documents influenced the U.S. Constitution. Name one.
Declaration of Independence.
What group of people was taken to America and sold as slaves?
Africans.
Name one power of the president.
Commander-in-Chief.
Name one war fought by the United States in the 1800s.
Civil War.
What are three rights of everyone living in the United States?
Freedom of expression. Freedom of speech. Freedom of assembly.
There are three branches of government. Why?
Separation of powers.
When was the Declaration of Independence adopted?
July 4th, 1776.
What is the name of the Vice President of the United States now?
Kamala Harris.
Name the three branches of government.
Legislative, executive, and judicial.
The American Revolution had many important events. Name one.
Declaration of Independence.
How many Supreme Court justices are usually needed to decide a case?
5.
Benjamin Franklin is famous for many things. Name one.
U.S. diplomat.
Name one power that is only for the states.
Give a driver's license.
The President of the United States is in charge of which branch of government?
Executive branch.
Who was president during the Great Depression and World War II?
Roosevelt.
What part of the federal government writes laws?
Congress.
What founding document was written in 1787?
Constitution.
How are changes made to the U.S. Constitution?
Amendments.
How many seats are on the Supreme Court?
9.
Why did the United States enter World War II?
Pearl Harbor.
What is the highest court in the United States?
Supreme Court.
What is Memorial Day?
A holiday to honor soldiers who died in military service.
How long is a term for a U.S. Senator?
6 years.
Name one power that is only for the federal government.
Declare war.
What territory did the United States buy from France in 1803?
Louisiana.
How many voting members are in the House of Representatives?
435.
The U.S. Constitution starts with the words, "We the people." What does "we the people" mean?
Self-government.
There were 13 original states. Name 5.
Massachusetts, New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Georgia.
How many senators does each state have?
2.
What is the capital of your state?
Austin.
Alexander Hamilton is famous for many things. Name one.
First Secretary of the Treasury.
Why is the Electoral College important?
It decides who is elected president.
Why does each state have 2 senators?
Equal representation.
Name the U.S. war between the North and the South.
The Civil War.
Name your U.S. representative. Answers will vary. Who does a U.S. Senator represent?
Citizens of their state.
Why did the United States enter World War I?
To support the Allied powers.
Who elects U.S. senators?
Citizens from their state.
Thomas Jefferson is famous for many things. Name one.
Writer of the Declaration of Independence.
Who does a member of the House of Representatives represent?
Citizens in their district.
Name 2 important ideas from the Declaration of Independence and the U.S. Constitution.
Equality. Liberty.
What U.S. war ended slavery?
The Civil War.
Who elects members of the House of Representatives?
Citizens from their district.
How can people become United States citizens?
Naturalize.
Where is the Statue of Liberty?
New York.
Some states have more representatives than other states. Why?
Because they have more people.
Why were the Federalist Papers important?
They help people understand the Constitution.
What does the Bill of Rights protect?
Rights of Americans.
The President of the United States is elected for how many years?
4 years.
What is the name of the President of the United States now?
Joseph Biden.
What is the supreme law of the land?
Constitution.
What amendment gives citizenship to all persons born in the United States?
14th Amendment.
Name one power of the U.S. Congress.
Writes laws.
Who vetoes bills?
The President.
What are 2 cabinet-level positions?
Secretary of Homeland Security. Vice President.
Why did the United States enter the Vietnam War?
To stop the spread of communism.
How long do Supreme Court justices serve?
Life.
There are 4 amendments to the Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them.
Any citizen can vote.
Who is the Commander-in-Chief of the military?
The President.
The President of the United States can serve only 2 terms. Why?
Because of the 22nd Amendment.
Name one reason why the Americans declared independence from Britain.
High taxes.
Who can vote in federal elections, run for federal office, and serve on a jury in the United States?
Citizens.
The executive branch has many parts. Name one.
The President.
Why does the flag have 50 stars?
Because there are 50 states.